If you're in the market for a cordless angle grinder but don't know where to start, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the top contenders, from the weakest to the absolute best, so you know exactly what to pick. Let's kick things off with the Bosch GWS12V30N, which lands at the bottom of our list. But that doesn't mean it's a bad tool. It's compact, super lightweight, and powered by a 12-volt battery. This is the kind of grinder you want while working in tight corners or doing light-duty jobs where bulk just gets in the way. Now, don't let the size fool you. This thing spins at an impressive 19,500 RPM. That's faster than any other model on this list. And thanks to the brushless motor, it squeezes out solid performance from a smaller power source. It also comes with safety perks like restart protection and a quick stop brake, which is great for newer users. But the trade-off here is pretty clear. That 3-inch wheel seriously limits your cutting depth. It's not made for heavy-duty use. And it doesn't come with a battery or charger, so you'll need to factor that into your budget. Plus, some users have mentioned a finicky switch lock. Still, if you're working on lighter tasks like cutting conduit, tile, or strut in tight places, this little Bosch is a great pick. It's ideal for electricians or DIYers who need a reliable compact grinder. And hey, all the grinders featured in this review are linked in the description below at the best prices, so check those out when you're ready. Next up, we've got the Ryobi R18AG-0. It's a step up in size and voltage from the Bosch and uses Ryobi's popular 1+ 18-volt battery system. This model is all about affordability and accessibility, especially if you already own other Ryobi tools. This grinder runs a 4.5-inch wheel and hits a respectable 11,000 RPM. The 3-position handle gives you some flexibility and the grip feels solid in hand. It's designed for convenience with a tool-free adjustable guard, and it's got the basics covered if you're tackling typical household projects. But the R18AG-0 comes with a brushed motor, which isn't as efficient or long-lasting as the brushless ones. It also doesn't include a battery or charger, and it's not really built for demanding jobs like heavy metal cutting. Also, Ryobi explicitly states it's not designed for cutting, which is worth noting. This is a tool that makes sense for occasional users, maybe a homeowner doing renovations or repairs. It's a no-fuss, get-it-done option. And while you're here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest, hands-on reviews just like this one. Now let's talk about the Craftsman. It's a bit of a beast compared to the previous two. This one comes as a full kit with a 20-volt max battery and charger included, which is a nice value out of the box. The grinder runs a 4.5-inch wheel and clocks in at 8,500 RPM. The metal gear housing adds durability, and the 3-position side handle gives you control from any angle. The controlled grip feels solid, and the tool-free guard makes adjustments quick and painless. But let's be real, it's heavy. At over 9 pounds with the battery, this one might wear you out during extended use. The brushed motor also puts it a step behind more modern tools in terms of power and efficiency. It's definitely not the grinder you want for continuous cutting or grinding steel day in and day out. That said, this model makes perfect sense for folks who want everything included and ready to go right out of the box. Weekend warriors, casual users, or someone just starting out will find solid value here. Getting into the top tier now, we've got the Makita XAG04Z. This grinder brings a ton of smart features and thoughtful design to the table, and it shows. It runs on Makita's trusted 18-volt XLT platform and supports both 4.5 and 5-inch wheels, giving you more versatility. What really sets this one apart is the automatic speed change technology, which adjusts torque and speed depending on the task. Plus, it's got active feedback sensing technology, which shuts it off if the wheel binds. That's a big safety plus. Combine that with a soft start, tool-free guard, and rubberized grip, and it feels like a premium tool in every sense. Downsides? There are a couple. The battery and charger are sold separately, which is a hit to your wallet if you're not already in the Makita system. And while it's powerful, it still can't match corded grinders for those super heavy jobs. But for pros or experienced users who need reliability, safety, and versatility in a cordless package, the XAG04Z is an awesome option. It's built to work smarter, not harder. Finally, at the top of the list is the DeWalt DCG416B. This is the grinder that hits the sweet spot between power, safety, and convenience. It runs on DeWalt's 20-volt system, but when you pair it with a flex-volt battery, it really kicks things into high gear. This grinder features a brushless motor and reaches 9,000 RPM. It includes standout safety features like a kickback brake and e-clutch system, which helps stop the tool when it binds or senses an issue. It's lightweight for what it delivers and has DeWalt's familiar paddle switch for control. Plus, it's Tool Connect chip ready if you're tracking tools on a job site. The only real downside here is that you have to buy the battery and charger separately, and depending on your tasks, you might find the paddle switch takes some getting used to. But those are small compromises when you consider the overall capability of this tool. This one's made for serious DIYers and professionals alike. If you want one cordless grinder to rule them all, this is it. Thanks for sticking around to the end. If any of these grinders caught your eye, check out the links in the description below for the best prices. And if this review helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. We've got more hands-on reviews coming your way.